Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Santa was very good to me this year. I got my new makeup vanity, the little cabinet next to it over there, as well as the new chair, and the camera that is sitting on top of the vanity. I also got that. I did just want to get a little bit closer to the cabinet so that you could see. I ordered strip lighting and put around the center mirror. Very easy to install. I don't know if you had seen those online, but it makes a huge difference. I'm going to put the camera down just a moment and I'll turn those lights on. And this is on their brightest. They will dim down as well. But they were very inexpensive and make a huge impact. So if you are wondering about them, I did want to share with you what they look like. Now the vanity, when it came in, was only in a few pieces. So it was very quick and easy to put together. And it was packaged extremely well. I did order this off of eBay. And it was packaged very well. I wasn't able to just slide it out of the box. There was so much styrofoam in there to protect it that I had to cut the edges of the box and just literally fold the box down. Now some things I did want to show you about the vanity up close. You've got the little shelf there with two drawers. They're very shallow, small drawers, but still handy. And then the little space there in the middle. And of course the drawer in the middle and two deep drawers on each side. Those are really, for me, more decorative and pretty because everything is being stored over here in this cabinet. So anyway, I'm very happy with these purchases. And if you guys were thinking about getting a makeup vanity or one of those shelves and was worried about putting them together, don't worry about it. It doesn't take long at all. I did want to share the inside of these with you guys. I saw on Amazon too late that you can buy the organizers for inside here. But I found this at TJ Maxx. It was a basket that came with one large, had some small ones inside it, the long ones as well as these square ones. So they're fine, as you can see. But if you were looking for something that might fit these just a little bit better, I did see them on Amazon after the fact. So guys, basically I just wanted to share this with you because I did read a few negative reviews about having to put the cabinet together, and I didn't want it to intimidate anyone. It's not difficult at all. As a matter of fact, it's 7 drawers in that cabinet, so once you put one drawer together, you've got it down pat at that point. It's just time consuming. The best thing I can recommend, sort the pieces in the floor and then just sit down and start putting it together. I really like the way it looks in the bedroom here. I'm going to get a lot of use out of that vanity because there's no good lighting in my house anywhere. So I was very pleased to get that. Alright, I hope you guys had a blessed holiday and everyone was safe and happy. And I hope you have a great week this week.